Katkum kejing sapriang ke video jong wei Pulit SI ha Laban Police Station belah Kynnoh udan hapdeng kejing Buaid kiat bat Kyntait ru ban register ya ke Ejahar kebikilawan ban ujor persya ya wei unongnya kali kamai ubelak tak akti ya ke wei ke kentai beriau ha Laban haka kendai terik nailor aja alkusau halor kini jingjia habayo abanyakran berkilat patai kubor USP ke East Khasi Hills uba Silverstar long tingger ulayat ho ba katnat karadap ban weng Kam Shipor ya uni USI
Regarding the incident yesterday in Laban police stations, it was very unfortunate, but we have taken prompt actions against the Sub-Inspector R. Marwing. So he has been suspended, placed under suspension. Yes, East Khasi Police, we never tolerate to the indiscipline, and we prompt action taken, and we always rewarded to the good officers. We always reward for the good deeds, good action they have taken, they have done, and we always take a strong, stern action to all those misbehave and those misdeeds.